Mending bridges, rebuilding relationships. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting English phrase, mending bridges. It's a phrase you might come across in everyday conversations, literature, or even in business settings. Understanding this phrase will not only enhance your English vocabulary but also help you grasp a significant cultural concept. Let's dive in and find out what it means to mend bridges. Mending bridges is an idiomatic expression in the English language. The word mend means to fix or repair something that is broken, and a bridge is a structure that spans and provides a passage over obstacles like rivers or roads. However, when put together in this phrase, it's not about the literal act of fixing a physical bridge. Instead, it symbolizes the act of repairing or improving relationships between people who have had disagreements or conflicts in the past. The bridge metaphorically represents the connections or bonds between people. Mending bridges is crucial because it focuses on reconciliation and healing. It's about overcoming differences, resolving conflicts, and moving forward with a positive and constructive mindset. In personal relationships, mending bridges can bring back harmony and understanding. In professional settings, it can lead to better teamwork, productivity, and a healthier work environment. Recognizing the value of relationships and making efforts to mend them shows maturity, empathy, and wisdom. Mending bridges requires a few key steps. 1. Acknowledgement. Recognize and accept the issues or disagreements that caused the rift. 2. Communication. Openly and honestly discuss the problems with the other person involved. Listen actively and empathetically. 3. Apology. If you're at fault, offer a sincere apology. A genuine apology can go a long way in healing wounds. 4. Forgiveness. Be willing to forgive and let go of past grievances. Holding on to bitterness can prevent relationships from healing. 5. Action. Take concrete steps to rebuild trust and show that you're committed to improving the relationship. This could involve changing certain behaviors, making amends, or consistently showing kindness and understanding. Mending bridges is more than just a phrase. It's a valuable concept in maintaining and nurturing relationships. Whether with friends, family, or colleagues, taking steps to repair and improve our connections can lead to a more harmonious and fulfilling life. We hope this video has shed some light on the importance of mending bridges and how you can apply it in your daily life. Until next time, keep learning and growing, and remember, it's never too late to mend a bridge.